Today we're going to be taking a short boat trip to the small country known as Malta. And we'll be there for the next few days. And I hope you enjoy our adventure. We're not even on the boat yet, and Emil's already enjoying life.
Or the ferry, apparently it flies.
So we're here in
Polazzo.
Palazzo.
Pozzalo! It's Pozzalo!
Or what?
It's Pozzalo!
It's like I'm walking on the seafloor. See, like, it's really cool, and then a wave comes, and you kind of just... So apparently there's a thing that influencers do now, where they literally do this. So we figured out something. Italian towns look prettier at night because they got like the palm trees, they got some nice lighting, like everything opens up again after closing for nap time.
I'm a tree too.
Yeah, he's a tree. We got kebabs. Here's my official review. It's very good. And we're gonna board the boat now. Well, no, not yet. They're gonna let us on soon. So here we are in front of the boat. Say hello to the St. Paul II. Whoa. This is cool. Look at this. All these chairs. We picked the ones right at the front. We're gonna go exploring. Is that okay with you?
No.
Too bad we're going.
Come on, let's go. I mean, do you know how to say siege?
We're not Dora the Explorer. Shut up.
TV. Do you know how to say TV?
In Spanish?
In Spanish?
Let's go to the back of the ship. The back of the boat. What's that? Pizza. Can we go outside? We can go outside. So here we are coming into dock on the boat. It's quite a nice boat, actually. It is quite nice. I'm tired. We're getting off the boat now. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is cool. This is like a brace so that like the boat comes in and touches this instead of the thing, so it doesn't have this giant like balls on the side. It uses this. I think that's pretty cool. There's a pool and I forgot my bathing suit. This has got to be the saddest thing I've ever seen. So here we are, Sunday morning, just left the hotel, and we're gonna go explore. How do you guys feel?
Ready to check out Malta.
Yeah. Yeah. This is what happens when we travel. Hello.
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 What kind of video are you making?
A YouTube video. So, I don't know what the Maltese were trying to fight off, but this is a huge moat.
Yeah.
And it has a staircase that goes to nowhere. So we're in this underground staircase going down to underneath the moat. And look at who we find. But you're so cute. Look at his little face. So the only time the moat was used was to keep the French inside Valletta when they invaded. That's pretty cool. So we've dubbed the cat, we've given him the name of Poser, because that's all he does. He just does poses for us. I took a bunch of photos and I'll put those in at the end of the video. and you can feel free to take screenshots. So we're on the main stretch now.
Yes.
How do you feel?
That's pretty nice. First impression is good.
It is very nice. So Emil just got scolded by our local for not having his laces on his shoes tied up. How do you feel?
I feel offended.
That's a good thing. I think they're trying to remove the statue. That looks heavy, and they're just using a small forklift. I feel like something's gonna go wrong, but I also don't want to be here to see it. So these are dance performances for Carnival. I wonder what that staircase leads to. The temperature here is crazy, to say the least. It's much hotter than it says, and I'm starting to melt. Glass. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, because we're gonna see people making stuff like this. We're gonna see people do glass blowing. It's gonna be cool.
Okay.
We're doing a 5D movie. I don't know what that means. Oh, yeah. It was very good. It's called Malta 5D. There's planes and bombs, and your chairs move, and you get kind of wet. It's pretty awesome. Here we are in an elevator going down to the sea, going down.
Wow, this is wow.
I
like this.
That's a cool view. We're on a little boat, and we're headed over there for lunch. That is a big boy.
Your fingers in it.
So we're now on our way back to find me a bathing suit.
Maybe.
If we can find one. So what happened next was my favorite 15 minutes of the day. This guy, our boat guy, just asked me my name and then was like, here, you take a try at piloting the boat. And then he kind of just sat back and gave me like little instructions. And then a military helicopter flew over us. So yeah, that was amazing. I still can't believe that happened. That's the boat that we took to get here. It's the Virtue Ferries.
We'll be on that exact ferry tomorrow.
Yeah, at the same time that it's leaving right now. That wraps up today. Yeah, we're going swimming now. I was joking. Welcome to Monday morning. We're gonna get on a bus to go to Medina and go see some glass blowing. It's gonna be cool. We have arrived. There's so much. It's everywhere. But I gotta say, the colors are amazing. Fire. So this is what it looks like inside a glass blowing factory. It's cool because everyone has their own little job. Oh yeah, there's a cat here as well. As you can see here, they use a lot of different tools to make the glass the shape that they want it to be. My favorite part about this is that when the glass is this hot, it glows. As you can see here, this dude is making a fish. You can see how easy it is to move the glass around and make all the different shapes. Then they give it to this guy who puts it in front of a fan to cool down the glass because it's really hot. And then he puts it on this automatic spinning thing. Then this guy puts the glass inside this machine so it cools down and stays the same shape. The bird is spinning. Yeah. So we're at this crystal place and I'm getting myself a piece of obsidian because I think it's cool and I can make a portal out of it. Airbus. Private jet. That's a Boeing for sure. I forgot my other glove on the bus. So this is the like food of Malta. This is like their thing. And so we're on our way back to the hotel now to just chill out in the lobby until it's time to get on the boat. Yeah. So here I am in the very front seat with what's got to be the best view